Hello friends, welcome back to another video from English Excel. Friends, in today's video, I am going to discuss about 5 major HPLC components and their functions. So let's begin the video. The role of HPLC pump to create a high pressure to move the mobile phase through column at a specific flow rate. Normal flow rate of HPLC are 1 to 2 ml per minute. Pump can reach pressure in a range of 6000 to 9000 psi, 400 to 600 bar. A pump can deliver a constant mobile phase composition or an increased mobile phase composition. Number 2 is injector. The role of injector to introduce the liquid sample into the flow stream of mobile phase. Typical injection volume are 5 to 20 microliter. The use of the autosampler system is also widely used that allows repeated injection in a set schedule timing. Number 3 is column. The column is known as heart of HPLC. The separation of components takes place inside the column. The recent columns are often prepared in a stainless steel housing instead of glass columns. The packing material generally used is silica or polymer gels compared to calcium carbonate. Number 4 is detector. The detector can detect the individual molecules that comes out from the column. Detector can measure the amount of molecule so that it can analyze the sample components. Detector provide an output to a recorder or computer that results in the liquid chromatogram. And the fifth is recorder. Electronic data signals expressed by the detectors are interpreted and processed into a meaningful inference in the form of chromatograms. They record the baseline and all the peaks obtained with respect to time. Present data stations perform multiple complex tasks like data acquisition, interpretation, data processing, data storage, and distribution across the connected system within organization. So friends, this is all about the HPLC components. I hope you understand the video.